So the window company came today and they've installed all the windows. So it looks like a really nice house now, yeah? It's getting there. But they got to come back and maybe do another day's work. But the window installation was very quick. So in a day they put all the windows in, all the frames. Just they got to come back to the finishing touches, and also they got to do the door here. But the windows look really nice. They all slide open and close. Give you a view of the inside. See here, the windows, they undo and they slide like so, lock like that. So, view of the window, but it makes a big difference now. So the house has got windows now. These are the front two windows. The side window, which is really nice and bright. Our bedroom window, which is slide as well. So you just pop this switch and they slide. What a beautiful view. There's my wife and grandma came to see. Yeah, so I'm really happy with the windows because it just makes the house, you know. From not having any windows and having windows now makes a big difference. Plus the toilet, plus the floor's all finished now. It's all grouted. That's the kitchen, toilet. And look at this window. Look at this. What a lovely bedroom. Yeah? Beautiful. So in the morning you wake up, just open the window here. Look at that view. Once it's all cleaned up and there's a garden, front yard. All my puppies and chickens here. Ducks. Just have to plan for the future, guys. I mean, from having rent a small room in London to here and have nothing in England, but now I have we have a big house, country house. I mean, if you had this in England, you'll be a millionaire. Let me tell you that. So it's the lifestyle that you choose to live. Pay rent and get nothing. Downsize, save your rent, save your money, and then you can go to another country and where it's cheaper with your money and make something like what I'm doing. So, yeah, it's all preference. But let me take you around the front of the house so you can see, as I do it in one shot. So there's no editing. Do you see? Look at that. The house looks good. Looks modern. You know, you see? That view here. We can see we've got lots of land to play with. And as I said, land is the most important thing. Yeah, once you've got your land here, you can do whatever you want. Yeah, I didn't have to do any architect drawings, any building drawings, submitting it to any government office to build this place, yeah? We just built it. So that's how it should be. The freedom of Thailand is good at the moment, and hope it stays that way for many people who wish to come and invest here. I mean, if you want to invest here, let me know. But you see, toilet is finished now. So tomorrow or the next day, we're gonna plaster all this like the house and get everything done. But yeah, I'm really happy with the house, how it's turned out to be, and it's beautiful. Okay.